Hey, what's up? This is Chris. I haven't made a video on this channel in forever, but this is a video for somebody whose name I will not mention for the sake of them. So for this, you're going to need Audacity, or however you want to pronounce it. Just go to Google, go to Audacity download, and it'll pop up. It's like that one. I don't know, it should be one of the first ones that pop up. Anyways, once you have that all downloaded and set up and everything, you go to File, Open, do the song. For sake of time, I'm just going to choose that one. It'll take a while, like 10 seconds at most, to actually get the song into Audacity. But just be patient. It's only like 10 seconds. So for the sake of you guys being able to hear me, I'm just gonna make this song a lot quieter than it should be. So yeah. So find the spot in your song where you want it to be the ringtone. So for me, actually, I think it's in the very first minute or so. So it shouldn't be that long of a wait, hopefully. Yeah, it's like right there. So what you do is you click on the spot where you want it. You can press Shift. If you do Shift Home, it'll highlight everything in front of that spot, and you can click backspace and it'll delete it. So that was like right about there or something. So if you could guess, you press Shift End, and it'll highlight everything from where you set the little locator thing, and highlights it to the end, backspace, delete it all, etc. So I'm just gonna get it more exact. Alright, so if you press zoom in over here, like it'll zoom in the song. So you just you just find your spots to. So it's like right there. I guess Shift and. So that didn't finish very well. So if you want to like get back a mistake you did, you press Control Z and it'll pop up again. So it's like right there, I think. I don't know, just be patient, it takes a long time. Yeah, okay, I guess that's alright. So I usually make my ringtones like less than 30 seconds, because when you think about it, it's a ringtone, but I mean still, you should probably answer it, like, especially if it's a call, you know. So once you have that all set out, make sure that it's at 22 hertz, because the reason people like it, usually if you just put a song, like a full song, on your phone and try to use that as ringtones, and if it says like you can't use it, it's because it's too big of a file. And if you make it 22 hertz, it just like halves the size of the file itself. So it pretty much ensures that it'll be able to be used as a ringtone. So you go to File and you export it. So I have this little folder of ringtones. So you it doesn't really matter what you name it, but I mean, you want it to always end in .mp3, and make sure it's an MP3 file. And go to Options, make sure its bitrate is always constant, quality is 64, and the channel mode is joint stereo. So just click OK. And save it. That'll pop up, just click OK. And then it'll take literally like 4 seconds just to save. So yeah, that's pretty much it. hope you enjoyed. But just hope this helped. Yeah, so see you later. Peace.